Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new to the channel, I'm BENIDORM Mad Mike. We do videos on Benidorm, around Benidorm, let you know what's going on. If you like the videos, don't forget to like and subscribe and enjoy the video. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. We're asking to have a look at the Levante apartments. Levante Beach apartments, can't remember. There they are there. I'll have a walk up. Levante Club. So it'll be open again next year. Levante Beach apartments over there. Okay guys, we're going to move on a bit now. The altar there, it's firmly shut. So I think that's going to be open till next year. Got a bit of a Christmas tree outside there. Hopefully we'll be back up next year. And shops and bars. Might be able to get two lots of apartments on same video. Over the road's the other one we're going to have a look at. What's that one called then? I can't remember.
The one they're looking for. Rather placida.
Rather placida, thank you, Marcus. Another one that's definitely shut at the moment. I shall put some pictures in with this one. There's some good pictures online of this one. We're going to have a walk around the corner there, see what we can see. That apartment block there looks great when you're coming up the road. I don't know what it's called from here. It stands there at the top of the road. A massive look over the road. There's a jukebox bar. So we're going to have a look, see what we can see of the pool and whatnot here. I think it'd just be a view through the slats. Now keeping their pool clean. We'll have to see what we can see. Let's try the next one. There you go. As I say, I will put some pictures on offline. The other day that was quite clean. Looks like it's going a bit dirty now. A lot of the places have just emptied the pools now. Have a look what we can see up here. Again, even though they're not open, somebody's put Christmas decorations up there. Okay guys, those are the few hotels you wanted to see. It's about the best we can do with them at the moment. I'm glad when they're open we might be able to get some decent pictures of them. Okay, we're going to end the video there. Like and subscribe as normal, and we'll see you on the next one. Where are we going now? Where are we trying to get to?